Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama Miss Ili di sini. And in this video we will still discuss the same material. Kita akan masih membahas materi yang sama ya, mengenai obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. Langsung saja kita mulai. So Miss Ili punya dialogue. Okay, and this dialogue is between Thomas and Caca. Okay, let's read it together. What's that, Thomas? Oh, it is a registration form. Registration? For what? For an English debate competition. You want to apply? I want to, but I am not confident. Oh, come on. Your English is really good. Just do it. You think so? Yes, of course. Okay, I need to go now because this form must be submitted this noon if I want to follow the competition. Yeah, go. Okay, so based on the dialogue, menurut kalian, this dialogue is belong to obligation, prohibition, or suggestion? Menurut kalian, dialog ini obligation, prohibition, or suggestion? Yeah, this is an obligation. Ya, dialog ini merupakan contoh obligation. Gimana kok bisa tahu sih? Kok bisa tahu ini obligation? How can you know? Because this dialogue use must. Okay, you have to remember ya. Kalau obligation ada dua kata kunci yang digunakan. Yang pertama have to or has to. Ya, digunakan ketika itu merupakan sebuah keharusan atau kewajiban yang berdasarkan opini atau pemikiran kita dan juga menggunakan must yang berdasarkan aturan. Ya, makanya this dialogue belong to obligation because it is used must. Ya, okay. Lanjut. I have another dialogue. And in this dialogue is between A, B, and C. Let's read it. Hey, look, the water is doing clean and fresh. Let's swim here. You're right, the water is calling me to swim down there. No, it is forbidden. Don't you see the board? Really? Is there any sign? Yes, it is on your left side. Read that. No swimming. The test isn't for people. I'm glad you see the sign. If not, we may endanger us. Yes, we are. Thank you, see. You saved us. Okay. Kalau dialog ini, I think you already know, ya. Kalau dialog ini merupakan contoh dari yes, prohibition. Ya, pasti ini yang paling gampang. Yang pertama, kalian pasti lihat dari gambarnya. Ya, gambar-gambar seperti ini udah pasti bisa ditebak kalau it is prohibition. And on the dialogue, no swimming. Okay, ada kalimat no swimming. Ya, you have to remember lagi ada 3 jenis prohibition. Yang pertama ada verbal yang menggunakan kata kerja. Contohnya kemarin, don't open the door, ya, ada kata kerjanya. Lalu ada nominal prohibition yang menggunakan bisa kata benda, bisa kata sifat, bisa kata keterangan. Contohnya, don't be a stupid person. Ya, yang ketiga, prohibition yang ketiga ini, no plus verb ing, seperti contohnya kali ini, no swimming. Ya, makanya this dialogue is belong to prohibition. Okay, good. Lalu, Miss Ili punya contoh satu lagi. Kita baca ya. Read this dialogue carefully. Hi Lee, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How about you? I'm fine too. By the way, can you help me with something? What is it? Should I buy this bag or not? It's on sale now. I think you should buy it because it's on sale. And this brand rarely has discount. Okay then, I will buy this bag. Thank you, Lee. Okay, so what do you think this dialogue is belong? Obligation, prohibition, or suggestion? Yes, it is suggestion. It's already clear in this dialogue. Yeah, it is suggestion. How can you know that it is suggestion? Karena, yes, ada penggunaan should. Ya, ingat, kata kunci suggestion menggunakan should atau should not. Okay? Dan di sini dicontohkan, should I buy this bag or not? Berarti dia meminta pendapat, ya kan? Terus I think you should. Berarti kan dia memberi sebuah saran gitu ya, pendapat atau saran dia. Oke. Now I have questions. Kita coba masuk ke pertanyaan. Okay. Do not feed the animals. From the text, we can conclude that we blah 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 feed the animals. What do you think the answer? The answer is we must not. Yes. How can it be must not? Because ini merupakan sebuah aturan ya, dan nggak boleh dilanggar. Ya kan? Kita tidak boleh ngasih makan hewan. Nggak boleh dilanggar, makanya kita menggunakan must not. Oke, lalu these are the expression of prohibition except. Di bawah ini merupakan ekspresi prohibition kecuali yang mana? Kecuali yang yes. C. You should wash your hand. Kenapa? Kok bisa C? Karena C should, ingat should harusnya termasuk ke suggestion, bukan prohibition ya. Dan prohibition biasanya gampang dikenali dari don't nih, don't speak loudly, don't be cheating, don't be sad. Begitu. Lalu another example. Okay. You drink too much soda. You blah 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 drink water when you are thirsty. Kamu minum terlalu banyak soda. Kamu bla 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 minum air ketika kamu haus. Berarti jawabannya harusnya yes, should. Kamu harus. Ya, ini kan memberi saran ya. Kamu harus minum air kalau haus. Jawabannya yang benar adalah B, should. Lalu soal selanjutnya. Can we use mobile phone here? No, you. What do you think the answer? Yes. D ya. Karena ini larangan, ya, it's prohibition, larangan. Dalam larangan, kita juga bisa menggunakan must not. Okay. You must not use any mobile phones here. Jawabannya yang benar adalah D, karena larangan. Okay. Diingat, must not bisa termasuk ke dalam larangan. Okay. So, that's all our material today. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.